Today, welcome to back my channel. Today I am going to cover the topic virtual reality. This is the figure of reality. History, what is virtual reality, types of virtual reality, application of virtual reality, hardware devices, working process. These are the outline of today's presentation. Virtual reality. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality means feeling the imaginary virtual world rather than the real one. The imaginary world is a simulation running in a computer. Virtual reality is the term used for computer generated 3D environment that allow the user to enter and interact with alternate realities. The definition of virtual is near and reality is what we experience as human being. In the figure you can see by putting these devices you can feel the environment. Suppose you want to enter in the mall, hotel or traffic, then simply sitting in your room by putting this device you can feel the environment of the cinema halls, mall, movie theater, traffic, airport, anywhere if you want you can go. This is the simulation, computer generated 3D environment that allow the user to enter and interact with alternate realities. So you can enter, your mind will be enter and interact with also. In shopping mall you can purchase, go to any showroom. It is a Adidas showroom or it is a Domino's pizza you want, then you anywhere you can go and feel it and you can interact with the alternate realities. What are the history? How is it developed? More than one person has been involved in the development of this technological system. In 1950, visionary cinematography Morton Helling built a single-user console called Sensor, Sensorama. This enabled the user watch television in three-dimensional base. Here you can see in the figure this is a Sensorama and one person enables the user watch television in three-dimensional way. So here in a 3D way, you watch the picture in the movie theater by putting a simple glass into 3D. So here the person is watching television in three-dimensional way by using Sensorama. Types of virtual reality: immersive virtual reality, non-immersive virtual reality, window on world virtual reality. Hardware device, input device, output device. Input devices: Prairier VR, Razer Hydra, Leap Motion, STEM, Magic Wand, Control VR. These are the things which you have to put as a input devices. Next, output devices, from where you will get the feeling of reality. Headset, 3D audio, sensing globes, Helsinki. So input and output devices. Working process of virtual reality. Virtual reality works on the basic principle of our perception of the environment and skin understanding. Virtual reality headsets are programmed to capture our reflexive to natural stimuli, which is backed by artificial intelligence powered software. The stimuli are then stored in form of a feature dataset used to craft virtual objects in a spatially mapped environment. Virtual reality designers carefully capture the intricacies of real world objects and clone them well enough to trick the human brain. With built-in skeletal tracker, the virtual reality headset control the way you move within the virtual space. Virtual reality software also adds to the dynamics of your virtual reality experience by providing support like language assistant, digital content, or supplement brand information. This is a human. This human is having the air eyes for vision, hand for haptic movement, voice for speech, and ear for listening. Human machine interaction, the devices we use, 3D sound generation, a headphone, visual visual simulation, physical simulation, okay, speech recognition and interpretation. So these are the things: speech, signal processing, system simulation. So this is a AI tools. Lots of data set is used to craft virtual object in a spatially mapped environment. Application of virtual reality in the military, in healthcare. Suppose someone is suffering from the phobia in some. Suppose someone gets a pain stroke, yeah, brain stroke during the some during some accident, road accident, or some in the having the phobia of fire, water. Then by creating the virtual reality, that person get out of that phobia. Virtual reality and education, you can feel the teaching learning environment, and you can increase your communication skill and the talking to with person by using this technique. Virtual reality and scientific visualization, you can play games, you can think of imaginary world. Suppose you are watching a movie like Matrix. They think that in future the world will be like this, then they created the world like this. Then you can visualize the things. Suppose you want to you have some data about the moons and the Mars, then you can create the reality that how human will we live here. Then these types of the thing you can do. Scientific visualization. Suppose you want to live in the forest, then you want to enjoy the forest. If you want to enjoy, then you by using this virtual reality, you can enter into the forest and enjoy the life of animals. In real, you cannot go because they will they will kill you. In virtual reality, in entertainment, in cricket, badminton, hockey, there is a some uh, amusement during the game, playing game. Then that type of amusement you can create by using virtual reality devices. That's all about. This is a very important devices. Lots of mm, people using also. One movie I watched, Radhika Apte. In that movie, Radhika Apte is suffering from phobia. Then by using this virtual reality, they she want to recover from the that phobia which generated during the sometimes of accident happen in the road. That's all about.